Now, mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the most innovative and sustainable of them all? Well, the answer might be the NCI Group.
Now, they are bringing us incredible inventions like smart mirrors that are designed to help us track our water and electricity usage. For example, of course, leaving the water running while brushing your teeth wastes an average of 4 gallons. That's about 13 litres each time. So just how handy would it be to have our mirror remind us to switch off the tap? Let's take a look at their work.
Right, that looks amazing, and I think you've already wanted one of those in your home, don't you?
Absolutely.
I need a smart mirror to tell me how ugly I look in the morning.
That's what I'm here for.
Anyway, to tell us more about this fascinating technology is Jürgen Neumann, the CEO of NCI Group. Jürgen, good morning and welcome to the show, sir.
Yes, good morning, Lee. Good morning, Katie.
Thank you
Thank you for having me this morning, and I'm looking forward to our discussion.
Our pleasure indeed. Now, a smart mirror, we introduced that and we saw that little bit of a video clip. That is incredible. That is a game changer for, you know, if it's for one thing only, saving water, because you know how people are around the world with turning the tap off or simply brushing their teeth. It's quite incredible what you've come up with.
Yes, especially what you mentioned. Saving water is one of the major concerns on this planet, and we see that we have a long way to go to have a more sustainable living and save more water and energy. The smart mirror is a communication device which can be in every household today, but especially in future when you think about new sustainable living concept which make your life greener, and so we all can contribute to a more greener planet.
I think this is such an incredible idea. I'm from Australia, and
Yes.
water is such a precious resource there. And we were always taught from a young age, you know, tap always goes off while brushing your
Yes.
teeth. A lot of people here, you know, do something a little bit differently. And, you know, I was really horrified to see that I think on average we waste about 18 litres when brushing our teeth. Now, there's many people around the world who live on less than 13 litres of
Yes.
water a day. How urgent is something like this?
I think when we look into the future, and especially the future of sustainable living, it will be a comprehensive concept between digital technologies and construction technology. The digital technology embedded in the smart mirror provides you with AI. Imagining in your future, in your living room or in your bathroom with a smart mirror, it will give you direct advice according to your exact measured carbon footprint,
Wow.
which is containing your water consumption and your electricity consumption. We integrate AI technology, which motivates you, because the human factor is a key factor to a greener living and to a greener planet. And the smart mirror is exactly targeting the human factor.
Incredible, because in the UK, I have to admit, many years ago, I used to brush my teeth and occasionally leave the tap on. But it was when we had the moment, and the eureka moment for me, was when we installed smart meters into our homes.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
every bit of water that we use, we could see that we actually had to pay for. So, you know, you can imagine in your smart mirror with the actual cost in dirhams, dollars, pounds, or whatever it is, the cost of you leaving taps running would soon change your habits of a lifetime, possibly.
You must compare the smart mirror move move to homes, to sustainable homes, compared to 100 years ago, 150 years ago, to cars.
Yeah.
Cars didn't have a dashboard. You were driving your car, you did not know how much fuel you consume and if you do it correctly. When you drive today a car, the car is smart. It tells you drive correctly, you drive the smart way, and you drive energy efficient. So the smart mirror's purpose is to drive you to a more energy efficient and sustainable lifestyle.
Now, I think this is an incredible project, but I'm going to play devil's advocate here.
Yes,
the
please.
mirror is about $700. That's not cheap for most people. You know, how do we make it more accessible? How do we make sure that sustainability is not just for the rich, who those can afford it?
Yes, this is a good question because, first of all, you have to invest to get something back. And you offset the investment into a smart mirror, sure, through the lower energy consumption, water consumption in your household. Imagine you multiply it with buildings, high-rise buildings or communities, how much the impact can be and how much the sustainability of regions, areas or the world can be affected by the human being's behavior to become more sustainable. Because the mirror tells you with AI, you should use less water in your household. It doesn't only measure your tap water, it measures the complete household consumption and the electricity consumption and makes you aware about the carbon footprint. Today we speak about sustainability. Carbon footprint is one major key of sustainability, but who knows about this? So we also educate the people how their individual carbon footprint will be. Aside, you can have also health applications running on the smart mirror. So a complete holistic concept to make your life more sustainable and more healthy and more happier.
But do you think people are really going to be willing to shut out, you know, a few thousand dirhams for something like that? I feel unless it's at a more accessible price for the general population, they're going to say it's a nice project, but it's expensive.
What we believe, hence we are also participating in a competition which is running alongside the Expo, which is the Solar Decathlon. It's a global competition of architects and universities to develop and design sustainable houses. The smart mirror is a digital part of it because it defines the house as a holistic concept. You save energy with the walls, with the windows, but the human behavior has to be changed. Because without change of the human behavior, we cannot reduce energy and make the planet greener. So everything adds up to dramatic also cost savings, which pays back on your investment into the smart mirror or on the investment into a house which contains smart mirrors.
I mean, it's an incredible initiative, and it's fascinating to see how technology is, is helping us, really make these choices in a more informed way. Jürgen, thank you so much for joining us. Appreciate your time this day.
Thank you very much, Katie. Thank you very much, Lee.
Thank you, Jürgen. Nice to see you, and good luck with Expo as well.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.